Hi, everyone. My name is Doug Kehring, and I'm the Executive Vice President of Corporate Operations here at Oracle. In the 2 decades I've spent at Oracle, nothing has been more transformative or positively disruptive than our own move to embrace the cloud and become a service-oriented business. To help us successfully transform, we've adopted our own technology across every area of our business. We call this practice Oracle at Oracle. I'd like to tell you this story today. In shifting from selling products that are installed and can't be updated for years on end to selling services that are continuously updated, we've had to reimagine both how we engage our customers and how we operate. And we're no different than our customers who are similarly looking to overcome complex business challenges, take advantage of strategic opportunities, and drive long-term success. Here are just a few examples of the specific benefits we've achieved. In finance, our adoption of Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP has enabled us to close our books and report earnings to the street in just 10 days. That's 21 days faster than average and faster than any other company in the S&P 500. In HR, Oracle Cloud HCM has helped us reduce talent review cycles by 71%. With Oracle Cloud Supply Chain Management, we've reduced planning cycles from 1 week to 48 hours. And with Oracle Cloud CX, more than 90% of customer orders are fully automated and can be completed within minutes. Finally, thanks to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, we're benefiting from up to 10 times better application performance alongside new cost savings. We understand the challenges you're going through, like evolving customer expectations and regulations, supply chain issues, and labor shortages, because we've experienced them ourselves. We also understand the power of Oracle Cloud applications and infrastructure and how our end-to-end industry automation enables organizations to solve their most complex business challenges. As I share Oracle's story with you today, I hope you and your organization can learn from our journey to the Oracle Cloud, including the outcomes you can achieve and the pitfalls you may want to avoid. Let me start with a bit of context. Oracle is a large business and a global one too. We have over 170,000 employees doing business in 175 countries and serving over 400,000 customers. So you might wonder, how can a business as large and diverse as ours transform how we operate and engage with customers? Quite frankly, we couldn't have done it without Oracle Cloud applications and infrastructure. We run our end-to-end business on Oracle Cloud in the same data centers, on the same products, and on the same version as our customers. We run the full application suite from ERP to supply chain to HCM, all the way through to sales, service, and marketing, all of which run on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, also known as OCI. And we benefit from our application user experience that offers consumer-grade interfaces and ease of usability alongside the simplicity, flexibility, and security that the cloud can provide. As I mentioned earlier, our journey started with our shift from a product-oriented company to a service-oriented company, and a transformation that encompassed our entire business, not only our technology, but the experience we provide our customers and the ways in which we enable and empower our employees, as well as our partners. When it came to the framework by which we engineered our transformation, we thought about this effort along 3 major vectors: people, processes, and automation. It was critical that our teams, starting with leadership and then extending to our entire employee base, understood why we needed to transform and the implications to how they approached their own work. We then looked at the business processes that supported the transformation and the experiences we deliver to our customers, employees, and partners. And finally, we leveraged Oracle Cloud technology to automate as much as possible and create seamless and exceptional experiences. Now, more specifically, we leverage a 4-step continuous transformation strategy to ensure our success. Our first step is to streamline the journey for those we serve, such as for an employee or a customer. We want to provide those individuals with the simplest and most intuitive experience possible that minimizes the time and effort required to complete the tasks, like hiring a great candidate, submitting an expense, placing an order, getting help when needed, and so on. It amazes me how complex processes can become when organizations look to solve every edge condition that might occur or when they involve teams or approvals to processes that, in reality, don't add much value. Next, we look for ways to empower employees and customers for even faster task completion without manual intervention. Machine learning, AI, and chatbots are just some of the technologies we leverage on top of our end-to-end automation. Then we look for ways to delight employees and customers so they can not only complete their tasks quickly, but they can derive success and hopefully happiness. Ways to accomplish this include an intuitive user interface, as well as providing proactive guidance and assistance whenever a user needs help. And finally, we leverage Oracle Cloud to enable us to deliver this experience and continuously improve and innovate. With feedback from those we serve and cloud updates delivered every 90 days, we are able to transform on an ongoing basis to ensure we stay ahead of the ever-evolving needs of our constituents, changes in the market, and global challenges like the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result of our efforts, we've really helped accelerate our business and become more efficient. Before I dive into specific success points, let me summarize the key themes. To start, we've increased efficiency and have seen our employees become more productive. They are spending less time on administrative tasks, like sifting through data and spreadsheets, managing disparate tools, providing unnecessary or redundant information, and things like that. And more time is spent on value-add activities like product development and customer success. In addition, with Oracle Cloud, employees, managers, and executives at Oracle have been able to access in almost real time insights needed to make the best decisions possible. As a result, we can move faster, quickly adapting and planning, even in the face of the unexpected. Beyond that, we've become more agile and have increased the speed at which we can move and change without disrupting our users. And critically, we've been able to deliver better experiences to those we serve. Let me give you an example that encapsulates all of this work at once. When we transformed expense reporting, we simplified the experience for managers by using AI and ML to separate expenses that fell within Oracle's corporate policy from those that look like anomalies. Rather than memorizing our policies and looking for a needle in a haystack, the system points out the needle for the manager so they can make a rapid decision. For the employee, we created an easy and intuitive experience that enables them to submit their expenses via chat or text message. And with continuous system updates each quarter, we are constantly refining and improving the expense submission and approval processes. Employees are happier because they get paid back faster and with minimal effort. Managers are happier because they spend less time on administrative tasks. Now, these outcomes have had a tangible impact to our business, enabling us to delight our customers and employees, speed our innovation, reduce our costs, and just generally grow faster. As a result of our transformation and continued focus on customer success as our North Star, Oracle has been rated a most trusted applications vendor, and customer satisfaction with our infrastructure solution is higher than with any other vendor. We've also been ranked as a LinkedIn top 10 company to work for the last 2 years in a row. In addition, we continue to innovate and grow our business while managing our costs. We are proud that our highly efficient operations have delivered an operating margin that is roughly twice that of our competitors. Now, let me take you on a quick tour of some of the measurable results we have achieved to enable these outcomes. I'll start with finance, where our teams have set out to achieve a continuous close. Through our transformation and the use of Oracle Cloud ERP, Oracle Cloud EPM, and Oracle Analytics Cloud, we have reduced the time it takes to close our books and report our earnings to the street to just 10 days. As I mentioned at the beginning of this discussion, that is 21 days faster than average and faster than any other company in the S&P 500. We are very proud of this achievement. Despite having a work-from-home environment since the pandemic started, we have shortened our close timing by more than 20%, and we're not done yet. Every 90 days, the finance team leverages the new innovations delivered by our own cloud to help us get closer to that continuous close aspiration. Second, we have reduced manual accounting by 50%, saving thousands of employee hours per year that can now be spent driving business growth. And third, By reducing the time it takes to complete the monthly accounts payable close by 30%, the finance team is delivering accurate, real-time information to management for faster and better decision-making. Now, let's shift gears and talk about HR transformation. With Oracle Cloud HCM, we've been able to retain talent, improve employee engagement, and increase employee satisfaction. When managers use HCM performance for annual reviews, employees are more than twice as likely to believe their career goals can be met at Oracle. When employees believe their career goals can be met, they are almost 70% less likely to voluntarily leave. And sales employees who tracked and completed a shared manager goal in HCM had 20% higher sales attainment. We've also reduced our talent review cycles by 71%, giving managers and employees valuable time back to focus on more value-add activities. In fact, with Cloud HCM, we've cut over 27,000 hours of administrative time per year. Next, I want to share how we've transformed supply chain management. With Oracle Supply Chain Management Cloud, we've accelerated our demand and supply planning cycles so we can now do in 1 week what previously took us 3 to 4 weeks on average to complete. As an example of how we've been able to flex rapidly when needed, in the face of COVID, we quickly and frequently adjusted demand plans in response to global lockdowns, demand fluctuations, and budget changes. In addition, we publish our supply plan weekly and monitor it daily, adjusting midstream when needed, saving employee time. Plus, our supply chain management can now check in with our supplier base for risk assessments and support changing requirements. We have sourcing flexibility to handle supply and workforce constraints around the world, with real-time information to inform supplier locations and regions, as well as dynamic routing for dropship fulfillment. Teams are able to maximize postponement so fewer items get stuck in the wrong inventory. As it relates to the customer experience, we're transforming how customers select the best solutions to meet their needs and succeed on an ongoing basis with Oracle. With Oracle Cloud CX as an example, we've transformed the purchase experience so customers and sales reps alike save time and headache. Whereas in the past, quoting and contracting might take weeks, today, more than 90% of orders with Oracle are fully automated and can be completed within minutes. We're saving millions of employee hours, and our customers are saving time too. In addition, with Oracle Cloud CX, sales reps can qualify opportunities 4 times faster, and they're achieving 4 times higher win rates as well. That's because the system guides our sales team to the opportunities most likely to close and provides guidance on the best next actions to take. As a result of all this, not only can our internal teams work more efficiently and effectively, but customers are also beginning to realize value right away rather than wasting time on contracting processes. Like many organizations, Oracle used an array of on-premise product architectures, customer delivery models, and platform components, which hampered our agility, slowed our innovation, lengthened the upgrade and adoption cycles, and really created unnecessary technological constraints. Today, Oracle relies on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and the Autonomous Database to meet the needs of our global enterprise. This includes using Oracle Fusion applications, which all run on OCI. There are many benefits to leveraging Oracle Cloud internally for our infrastructure. First, our IT team is spending less time, in fact, 35% less time, on operational activities like patching, and more time on innovation and value-add activities like data engineering, performance tuning, and architectural optimization. In addition, we're achieving increased speed, security, reliability, performance, and cost savings. We can adjust our capacity within minutes, helping our customers meet demand spikes in near real time. Just as an example, when Zoom needed to quickly scale their service capacity to account for a 300% increase in daily meeting participants with the onset of COVID, Oracle Cloud was instrumental in helping them quickly scale. We're also benefiting from better security as OCI offers autonomous, self-patching, and self-securing capabilities. In the area of reliability, we're achieving 5 nines, 99.999% availability, or essentially 5 minutes of downtime each year for our mission-critical applications. And we're seeing as much as a 10x improvement in application performance, alongside new cost savings like reducing third-party vendors, reclaiming data center capacity, and reducing real estate and facilities expenditures. So, I'd say our transformation has been a great success, but it has not been without challenges. One of our key learnings was that transformation isn't just about the technology, it's about the sociology too. People often say they love change, but even if they hate a process or a system, it's difficult to change something you're used to. What's the solution? We provide employees with so many benefits in terms of improved productivity and experiences that they begin to proactively identify areas to transform. That's the real key, turning people around and having them help you transform. Another lesson, in the end, it's all about the customer or user and ensuring they are delighted. So don't try to band-aid legacy processes. Instead, begin your transformation with the people you serve in mind. And lastly, always see your company as transforming rather than being transformed. Even if the changes are already made have been dramatic, never stop looking for ways to improve and innovate. That's the bite-sized version of Oracle's transformation story. To learn more, be sure to join the Oracle Cloud Customer Connect community, where our transformation experts continuously share updates on our own journey. You can also visit oracle.com/Oracle@Oracle for additional details on the benefits we've achieved and to schedule a one-on-one session with an Oracle transformation expert. Lastly, to help you plan, adopt, and continuously innovate with Oracle Cloud applications and infrastructure, visit education.oracle.com for free training and other helpful resources. Thanks for participating and good luck on your journey.